Stop doing it the hard way. Here's how to set up a seamless live stream on X using Streamlabs. So your first step is you're going to want to head over to streamlabs.com, and over here in the top right corner you want to hit login. And even if you don't have an account, you can log in with your X account if you click log in with X. Once you enter your information and log in, I'll show you the next steps. After you sign in with your X account, this is the screen you're going to see. You want to go ahead and click on I'd rather explore on my own. And after that, you're going to see two plans here. You can do the free version, which allows you to stream up to one platform at a time. You can stream for up to, I think, 4 hours, and you get 1 hour of upload time, which is pretty good if you're looking to do streaming here and there. Now, if you're looking to stream more seriously and do this as more like a full-time thing, you're going to want to consider the Ultra plan, which is $20 a month, but it's no watermark. You can stream for as long as you want to multiple platforms at the same time, and you get up to like 40 hours of upload time, which is insane. I think it's a pretty good deal, but again, if you're not looking to take that streaming seriously, the free plan is more than enough. So after that, you want to go and hit continue with free trial. And then you're just going to say welcome, let's go. And this is the screen you want. And moving on to step 2, you want to go ahead and download Streamlabs. So once you're on this page, you want to go ahead to the top left corner and click on download Streamlabs. Once it's done downloading, you want to go ahead and click on I agree and then hit install. Give it a few seconds. Once it's done installing, just hit finish. After finishing up your installation and then Streamlabs opens up, this should be the main screen you see. Alright, moving on to step 3, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a very simple stream. So first step is you want to head over to the bottom left corner to where it says settings. And you want to head over to video. And your video settings are going to want to look like this. You can pause it for a second so you can take a look and copy them. Then you want to switch over to the output tab, and your streaming settings should look like this. 6,000 video bitrate. That varies of how good your internet is. If your internet isn't the greatest, you should keep it around 6,000 to 10,000. If you have really good internet, you can go higher. That's just the quality of the video that is going to look when you stream. Next step, you want to head over to audio. And for your desktop audio device, you want to make sure you put your main, whatever you use. If you have a headset, if you have some speakers or a monitor that has speakers, you want to select that. And then for your mic auxiliary device 1, you want to select your microphone, the one you mainly use. After you select your microphone, just hit done. Moving on to step 5, I'm going to show you guys how to add your display and your webcam to your streams. So the first thing is you want to do is click on the plus sign over by sources. And if you want to add your screen or whatever you're doing on the computer, you want to click screen capture and then hit add source. You can name the source if you want. If not, you can leave it how it is. I'm going to leave it as it is and say screen capture. And right here is what you select, what exactly you want to capture. You can capture game, where automatically every time you open up a game, it'll record that. You can record by screens. So I have 2 monitors, so I can either pick monitor 1 or monitor 2. Or the last option is you can capture by window. So if you have multiple windows open, like an internet browser, a game, or another software, you can capture specifically by those programs. So me personally, I'm going to capture by screen, and I'm going to click on screen 1, hit done. And then to add your webcam, it's the same process. You want to click the plus sign, but this time you want to hit video capture device. Then hit add source. Same thing, if you want to name it, you can. If not, just leave it how it is, and then hit add source. And then from here is where we select what camera it is that we want to add. So you select your camera from here, and then if you want to change the resolution or the FPS on it, you can click custom. If not, you can just leave as device default and then hit close. And that's how you add your webcam and your screen device. And finally, for the last step, I'm going to show you guys how to go live. Once you get everything set up, all you want to do is go to this button on the bottom right corner that says go live. And then make sure that the stream on X button is toggled on. You're gonna want to add a title, so I'm gonna add test stream, and right here you can select who can talk in the chat. So you can either disable the chat, you can have everyone, verified users only, followers, or subscribers only. So that for people that have subs on, you can have sub only chat, basically live streams where only your subs can respond. So that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna go ahead and click everyone and then hit confirm and go live. It's gonna say working on your live stream. You want to hit allow access, and that's it. Just like that, you went live on X. On the side there on the right, you saw the X, the sign into X popped up. That's at the moment that's not working. Apparently you can only access your chat from your stream from your mobile device, which is very weird. I guess it's something that X is working on, but just so you guys keep in mind, you can't sign in from Streamlabs to view your chat, unfortunately. But yes, that's how you set up your live stream on X. Now I want to see you guys go out there and start streaming and join the new features that they're putting out. And let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoyed videos like this, please make sure you drop a like, drop a follow, retweet this with your audience. And I appreciate you guys. As always, see you on the next one.